Happy weekend. This is market outlook for next week. What we're looking out for this new week. As you all know, um, last week market outlook was excellent. What we predicted, most of them played out accordingly. And then to this week, we'll have to go again and let's see what happens. I'm looking out for a buy on this market. This There's a last support here. There is a demand zone here. If it is did not come here, if it comes here, I'll be more confident in taking it because this place is a more strong zone. I'm more confident in taking it. And if it doesn't, it might just keep going up. So EURJPY a buy. I'll be looking for a sell on the CADJPY. I'm looking for a sell on this. I'm looking for a sell. Let me show you. I'm looking for a sell on this. CADJPY. I'm looking for a sell. You can see one touch, first, second touch, third touch, and this place is a very strong market. Keep rejecting it. The body keep rejecting it. Keep rejecting this place. This is what head. This is what head. This is shoulder. This is another shoulder. So I'm expecting this to form what a shoulder and give me confirmation entry candle. Right now it's not mature. I cannot even enter any sell or short anything right now because the structure is not given at all. So after then, once to be able to see confirmation, we can enter this for a sell market. That is for card JPY. Aside from that, I'll also be looking at the second one. Also be looking at this baby here. Oh, let me see. Oh, okay, I think it's a USD. I think it's, let me see which one. Oh, is it okay? GDP, is it GDP USD? Which one? I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's USD. USD. I'm looking for a buy on USD, Euro USD. You can see the movement high, high, lower, low, high, low, high, high, lower, low. So this must give us a confirmation. Right now, it's not matured. We only have 1 week. It's not matured right now. So this must give us a good confirmation and then show an end swing on 4 hour time frame. And you see right now it's not even mature at all. You see, but it's gonna be a good buy. This is a clean trade. But right now it's not giving any entry yet. You cannot say you want to enter anything yet, but it's not entering. There's not entering yet, and there's no confirmation yet for reversal. So market has to change the structure. So that's to give us a proof that I'm ready to buy. So that's the third one. I'm looking for what Euro USD a buy on this, and then again I'll be looking for NZD card. I'm looking for a buy as well on NZD card, but right now it's not matured right now. You can see the Mongos sell short that happens and came back to this last low. So there should be a reaction at this last low. So I'm expecting a reaction to this point or this point. So I'm expecting a buy on Euro card. Also be expecting a buy on this as well. Which one? Which one? Which I think is GDP card. Yeah, GDP card as well. Is it GDP card? Which one? Which one again? Okay, that one was NZD card, right? That was NZD card. Okay. Yeah, GBPUSD. Is it this one? The fifth one. Let me look for the fifth one. Aha, I'm looking for a sell on this baby here. Let me show you properly. Looking for a sell on this baby here. Looking for a short, yeah, a short on this baby here. Somewhere around here. I'm going to short this by first touch, second touch. I'm going to come somewhere around here. Give me confirmation entry candle. Then I can enter. And give me this market strength structure. Give me confirmation, give me a clear direction. Then from here we can begin to look for a reaction to continue to buy. It's just a more or less a small retest that could be long. And then so that is all for that. I think I'll also be looking out for a buy on this baby here. On this paper here, the last one, we're making the sixth one for the week. So you should definitely look out for these guys. Definitely look out for these guys. Look out for these guys. I'm looking for a buy. Once this exhausted, I'm looking for a buy around this point. Around this point, this place. I'm looking for a buy around this last support demand zone or here. I'm looking for a buy round. Let me show you clearly. Aha, this place, majorly this place. I'm looking for a buy around this place. Yeah, that will be a good one for me. If market reacts at that zones and give me further confirmations, I'll be willing to enter and do the buy. I took a buy here, I lost it, so I'll be willing to re-enter it again at this point again. Let me put it there. I'm willing to re-enter it again. I still believe that this market is still a buy. As a matter of fact, I still believe that it's still a buy. The Mongol sell should exhaust soon. So I still believe in this trade. I still believe in the buy. The short should exhaust soon, and I should be looking for my buy around this point. So that is that for that for today. Thank you so much, guys, once again for joining me, and I hope you utilize your week and make money for this week. Once again, I love you guys. Have a wonderful and profitable week ahead. Peace out. Bye for now, guys. Thank you.